Them not drink no bitters, not drink no Noni. That's why them they did and them puny. Every morning me get up, me have to drink some Noni. Remember faster than Bolt and skiller than Wayne Rooney. Yes, my people, this is yours truly Mikeylous, the Wake Up Boss. You know that I have a song out there titled Noni. It's on all leading platform. The official video is on YouTube. It's on the Ambassador Records label, so you can check it out. A lot of people have been wondering, what is the Noni? The Noni is a Jamaican plant that's good for you and give a lot of health benefit. And it look like this. The Noni look like this. This is what it look like, right? Yeah, this is the Noni grow on the tree, and after it fits, you pick it off, you put it in a container, close the container for weeks, and it dissolves into liquid, right? And you can drink maybe 2 times a day, 1 time a day. It all depends how you feel like drink it, and it gives you a lot of health benefit. The Noni, this is what it look like, and old time people back in the days used to call it Duppy Sour Song. And the song go like this. Them not drink no bitters, not drink no Noni. That's why them they did the yam puny. Every morning me get up, me have to drink some Noni. When me faster than Bolt and skiller than Wayne Rooney. Them not exercise, not walk a couple mile. Drink beer, rum and boom and a smoke all the while. Damn greasy food, we full up a all that no good for your system, me child. Back to the days, remember check out the song. This is the Noni, give you health benefit. So all who want to know what is the Noni, you got to find it and take your Noni. It's give you a lot of health benefits. So big up Ambassador Records out of Austria to produce a great song like this. Go and support good music. This is the Noni, people. Yeah, give it to this is the Noni. So give it to Devon, Dan and Joni. So they can stop at puny. Up move. Go back level cup move. Yeah. Yes, and now that I tell you about the Noni, I'm gonna show you how I start to prepare the Noni. There's the Noni, and I drop them in a container. Yeah, I think this is about 6 or 5 or 7. Drop them in this container, then I cover up this container. So you don't have to do much. Cover it up and put it away, and for weeks, maybe 5-6 weeks, then it dissolves into liquid. And you get a strainer, what you call a strainer, and you pour it out and strain it into a cup, and you take a teaspoonful or 3 teaspoonful and do it. Health benefit. Noni. Yeah. Them not drink no bitters, not drink no Noni. That's why them they did and them puny. Every morning me get up, me have to drink some Noni. Me faster than Bolt and skiller than Wayne Rooney.